Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm the marketing manager here at Swit, the all-in-one suite for team collaboration and communication. I'm happy to see you guys are back and ready to learn more about Swit. First, let me take you through today's agenda. Today I'm going to show you how to get started using the channel box. We will start off with chatting and everything you can do with messages. Then, we'll talk about the Ideas tab and how to post there. Next, we'll explore the channels from joining to creating your own. You'll also learn how to organize your channel list using starred channels or channel folders. Before we go, we'll also give you some more insight to managing a channel and end with showing you how to use the right panel for multitasking. We've got lots to do, so let's get started. First off, this is how a channel looks in the channel box. A channel is where you can message other members and post information relevant to the channel purpose or topic. This purpose helps keep the conversation from getting derailed. If we take the launch channel, for example, this is where we send messages, post ideas, comments, and content that's related to the launch of Swit. On the left navigation panel, we have the channel list, which we will get to in a second. For now, let's take a look at the channel toolbar. There you'll find the Chatting tab and Ideas tab. The Chatting tab is used as the main message portion of the channel, for when you need to let your team members know something. It's perfect for sharing quick information, sending links, videos, Google Docs, images, and much more. You can also access anything in the app bar or right panel while you have the Chatting tab open. For example, I want to know who is attending the conference we are going to next month. Who is going to the SF conference? Please let me know. Now, everyone will be notified that there is an unread message in the general channel. They can reply to the message with a comment or funny emoji reaction in real time. Hey look, someone responded. A great way to keep important messages top of mind for all members in a channel is to pin a message. I can pin the message I just sent by hovering over it, then clicking the three dots on the far right. Then, I click Pin Message. You can unpin a message by going back to the message and hovering over the three dots, then clicking Remove Pin. Pinning saves the message up here in the pinned messages in the channel toolbar. If anyone ever wants to find a previously pinned message, they just click this pin in the desired channel and it will show them all the messages pinned there. Aside from pinning messages, I can also star a message. Starring a message allows me to easily refer back to the message whenever I want. It's similar to pinning a message, except that only I will see that I have starred it. If I want to star this message in the Pricing Plans channel, all I have to do is hover over the message and click the star icon on the right side. If I want to undo this action, I can just click the star again to unstar it. Another way to easily share important information with other members in chat is to make an announcement. This is especially useful for when I want to make sure that everyone knows an important deadline or update on a task. I can make an announcement by clicking the plus symbol near the text box, then selecting Make Announcement. This will highlight the message I typed in so that no one misses it. They also check this in their mentions in the app bar. There are times when not all team members can attend an important meeting. In that case, it would be helpful to make an announcement so that everyone is up to date and on the same page. Rob and Allie have been out for a few days due to a cold and unfortunately were not able to attend a meeting earlier this week. I want to make an announcement giving Rob and Allie the ability to catch up on what they have missed. To do this, I'm going to click on the plus symbol and select Make Announcement. Then type up a summary of the most important things that Rob and Allie have missed. Once you have finalized your message, go ahead and send it. By doing so, members who come back from time off don't need to check every single notification, which is most likely not relevant any longer. Let's move on to the Ideas tab now. Ideas are used to brainstorm, receive feedback from your team members, collect data, or to see what will be good for lunch. You can browse others' posts through the Ideas tab or post your own idea. Posting in the Ideas tab is more suited for discussion where not all participants have to be online exactly at the same time. Just like in the Chatting tab, you can always access features in the app bar and the right panel when you are in Ideas. Here at Swit, we're always using the Ideas tab to discuss our marketing strategies. If I have a creative idea and I want to see what everyone else thinks of it, I would click on the Ideas tab and post my idea there. Whenever you post an idea in a channel, a notification that you posted an idea will appear in the content canvas of the chatting tab as well. Any member of the channel can click the accompanying link and they'll be taken to your post, where they can interact with your idea. Just like you can star messages in the chatting tab, you can also star posts in the ideas tab. Now let's say I've browsed all the public channels and I still can't find a channel that concerns what I'm looking for. In that case, I can create my own channel. It's really easy. In the left navigation panel where it says channels, click on the plus symbol, then click on the create channel. Fill in the channel name, give it a purpose to set the tone, then invite your team members. Make sure to set the channel to public so all members in the workspace can find your channel and participate in it. Sometimes though, information can be sensitive. If you want to keep your channel private, we have an option for that too. Follow the previous steps for how to create a channel, and instead of leaving it public, toggle the private setting. Now only members you personally invite will be able to see the content in that channel. If you decide to convert your public channel to private, you can do so by clicking here on Manage this channel. After, go to Convert to a private channel. By doing this, your channel will now be private. No one else will be able to access it unless you decide to invite them at a later time. Could see the content posted after they have been invited to the channel. However, the content posted before certain members were invited will still remain private. If you ever want to make edits to a channel you have created, use the drop-down menu from the channel name to select Manage this channel. I can use this to add or remove members, make the channel private, archive it, or delete it. Masters and workspace owners will have access to manage these sort of features. Also, the master can appoint a member as the admin and set their roles accordingly. Now, I want to share a really easy tip with you guys that'll help you keep your channel list neat and organized. For our team, the launch channel is extremely important because that's what we use to talk about updates regarding the product launch. Whenever I want to access this channel, I don't want to have to look through the whole channel list to find it. Instead, what I did is I starred it. See how the channel has a gold star next to it? Starring a channel or direct message will move it to the top of the left navigation panel so you can easily refer back to it. This will keep you from scrolling up and down the workspace constantly searching for the correct channel. This is extremely helpful, especially when using mobile devices with smaller screens. To do this, click the star icon next to the channel name and it will be added to your starred channels at the top of your list. To undo this, just click the star icon again. Now, what if you start accumulating lots of starred channels in random order? That's no good either. To organize your channels into the order you prefer, you can drag and drop them where you would like within the list. This is great because it lets you get accustomed to the order, which helps you find everything even faster. You can even set up your channels in alphabetical order if you like, seeing as that's one of the easiest methods. I personally like to keep my channels listed in order of which ones I use the most, but some people like to set them up in order of importance, and that's fine too. Swit is all about working in a way that is comfortable and intuitive for you. Now let's say you want to stay even more organized. More power to you. You can further organize your channels into folders to keep certain channels grouped together in your list. A folder is something that you create in order to store similar channels together so you can keep an eye on them better. Let me show you how it works. First, make sure you are looking at the channels in the left navigation panel. I'd like to create a folder to keep all of my more administrative channels together. To do that, I go to the plus symbol and click Create Folder. Then I give it a name. I'm going to call it Admin. Then I click Confirm. Then I'm back at the channels list and I can drag and drop channels into the folder. I'll add a channel for holidays and days off, the Santana Row channel, that's our office, and the Trinet, that's for HR. Perfect! Everything administrative is grouped together and can be collapsed if I need it. Now let's discuss the right panel, an incredibly versatile tool for quick and easy communication. The right panel, which you can access by clicking the blue panel button, allows you to jump between chats without ever leaving the channel in front of you. Let me show you what I mean. Here I am looking at the launch channel, and I have opened the right panel to a direct message with Ali. This way, I can reference the launch channel while I write her a quick question. Then, it's just as easy to click the drop-down menu and switch to the general channel to post there. Once I exit the right panel, I'm still back in the original launch channel I had started in. It honestly saves so much time every day. Another cool feature of the right panel is the Today tab. The Today tab can be accessed from the top of the right panel and shows you all of the ongoing task cards currently assigned to you across all your projects. You can think of it as a virtual version of those stand-up meetings that lots of organizations use nowadays, where you briefly take stock of what needs to be done for the day. I really like using the Today tab when I first get into the office in the morning. I open it up and it gives me a snapshot of what my day is going to be like. It really helps me stay organized with my thoughts. I hope you learned a lot about how to use the channel box today. To learn more, keep watching the Piece of Cake video series or check out our website at swit.io. Thanks for watching!